Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
To you! Not me. I don't know what you're doing with the flowers, to be honest. You can just leave them here.
I was like, they're gonna die.
They're very much gonna die.
Because they will not survive the heat.
I think, it was a good like $3 for the day. So this is our nice hotel room. We're staying in Nashville. Well, you came the night. I've been here for the past 3 days. Yep. I've been in Nashville for the past 3 days for representative assembly. He came down last night, and I did some hotel hopping yesterday, and I decorated. So there was a happy birthday thing standing here, no longer here anymore. It fell off. Got Star Wars, Baby Yoda. Pizza from last night, French style cheesecake was actually pretty good. And this is a Coke. This is where I'm leaving my trash. Come around here, we got another Baby Yoda that we have to take down. And then we have, this is surprisingly still hanging. Surprisingly. And then there's the happy birthday stuff, the Coke. Why didn't you just leave it in the pack?
What?
Your soda? And just take it down and then take it out?
Huh?
Why didn't you just leave your soda in the pack? We have another Baby Yoda here.
Because I'm going to drink one of them.
Why don't you just leave it in the pack and then take it down? So we have to leave in like 2 minutes. But yeah, so we have a long day. He sort of doesn't know really what we're doing, especially the first part. So, which is why I said bring the GoPro, because we're definitely going to be vlogging the first thing we're doing. So, that's also why I have so much suitcases per his bag and my briefcase and everything down the line, because I've been here for quite a while.
You had a business trip.
I did have a business trip, and it was an absolute blast. Had fun. Forgot the GoPro, meant to bring it. Not like I could use it when I was in the business trips or anything, but we're gonna go check out, and then we're gonna go to Starbucks because we need to eat because we missed breakfast here, and then we have reservations. Should be fun. See you then. Ready? Lead the way.
I don't know where we're going.
Me neither.
I'm assuming it's over here from where the GPS was talking. I don't even know where I'm going. So.
It went away. Actually, our tickets were for 9:30, not 9:30. I thought it was 9:35. Don't worry about it. How about that?
Turn left toward 3rd Avenue
It's gonna take
South.
5 minutes to get there. We'll get there at 10:40. So, all right. I don't know if it's Presley. It's kind of sad. He died in 77, but then he be elected in 1998. Well, obviously, this is the Country Music Hall of Fame. Oh, it's a country singer. What are you? Are these the notes or something? But the water's like messed with it a little bit, or something? Or are they just rock? Does it look like chords? They didn't. But I don't know. It's set along the brick like wall, but there's a couple brick walls. Or stone walls, anyways.
Taking the picture.
So what did you think of the museum?
Pretty good.
Oh yeah?
Are you all waiting on a trolley?
No.
Trolley?
Nope.
Yes! Yes!
NDOT enforcement. So Broadway is questionably somewhere around here. I do.
I do too.
Right. That way and you can find it. Oh, ambulance. I don't remember if it's that way or that way, but
What are you looking for?
we'll go that way. What do you think I'm looking for? I said earlier, Broadway. We have plenty of time. We have an hour. So we can go walk around Broadway. Oh, no, it turned. That's unfortunate. And the siren's turned off too, so it must be over there. Oh, no, but they're on. I think my instincts say it's right here. Because it's like Smashville is the edge of Broadway. Sort of. I was like, where'd you go? Gosh, running away.
Because I had to get out of the people's way. Plowing right on through.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm getting behind you.
They get out of my way or they fall. I think it's over here though. I hear music over here. I really want to go to a Smashville game though. Just saying, it's on my bucket list to go to one of these.
2 up. 1 2 1 2 2 2 up. Okay, that's good. Up. Yeah. 1.
Permit. That was interesting. I like my idea better.
Mine's not bad though.
No, yours not bad, but just period. So, I bought some Smashville gear. If I had to stop in there. This is pretty. So now we're heading to the drag show, which I cannot bring my GoPro in.
Yeah.
I don't think. I'm not going to anyways. I'm just gonna sit there. We're gonna eat.
You can do your phone.
I will do my phone. We're gonna sit there, eat, and stuff like that, and enjoy the show. It's like about an hour long, hour and a half long. So 12:15. We're like 10 minutes on the road, but we're tired of walking. Look at the guitars and stuff too.
Yeah, it's got different country songs.
Huh. That's neat. And then I got stuff so we can get hockey tickets too when they open up. We go down one and over. Yes.
Yeah.
We could go that way, but go down one and over.
Down 2.
Was it two?
We'll walk beside the river house.
The only full-scale replica built in 1897. That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this is all the same. Chevrolet Metush souvenir coins. I want that in my challenge coin collection. Good luck with that.
Yeah.
The E.C. Lewis, Director General of the Tennessee. Okay. Oh, see this is still here. This water.
Yeah.
I mean, this is Venice, but there is water here. I mean, you can. Not like that. Wow, look at that. The haunting images. That's cool. That's creepy, actually. That's really cool. Look at that. This dude's dark. It's creepy. I think this museum is actually pretty cool. Oh, it says don't touch the artwork. No date. I just think it's from 18. Well, no, it's the artist. There's no date on how long this is. Interesting. Gray day. That's weird. That's pretty. Politician. That's pretty too. This door right here weighs 7.5 tons. Because it says 24 feet high, 1 foot thick. They are thought to be the largest matching set of bronze doors in the world.
That's why they should have the bronze.
Feel this rip too. He designed these doors, sculpted, blah 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 blah, da, 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 1930s. They were installed in 1930s. These doors are almost 100 years old. Can you believe that? I want to say it's like the largest in the world. There's a lot of things here that are only one. Kind of like that door is like the largest door in the world. Matching set.
It's even crazier they actually have stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Greek.
This is really cool though.
Luke barely clears our head.
Yeah. I think they built around it. Or something. You know on the sides of it too. You can read about it. The shield itself was 6,000 pounds, 15 feet wide. Standing some 15 feet in diameter, Athens shield is complex sculpture of its own. The shield is the battle of Amazons and the Athenians. I heard gripping that shield, the way she grips it. The sandals. The helmet. 3 crested of Athena's helmet are supported by mythology creatures on the left and right, winged horses in the center. The shield is protect the snake, indicating her will as defending the people of Athens from harm. On the inside of the Olympians battle the the older gods, Titan. That's a game. Snake represents richness, a legendary king of the early Athens. Sandals on her feet. Captured in the battle. Gnarly. That's great. There's chairs in the back. Go try it.
It's solid bronze.
I pushed it with a little hand. It's not that heavy.
I understand that. I just,
Look at the logs. Because it just...
well, it's the
Oh
logs.
god, stopping it is worse. It's really hard to stop when you get it going. I bet it's loud.
Probably. Just like outside, it's just regular key.
100 years. It does just have a regular key. I bet they shut it every day too. Yeah, that's why they're chained together on the other side. They don't want them moving them. I was just... Hi. Look at the log.
No, that's not.
Oh, obviously. Yeah. Oh, and then the chain in the back. So when you close it, it gets chained up so it can't get opened. 'Cause that's... Look at this one.
That's probably how they moved it. Probably what they grabbed it.
You think so? I don't think so.
Don't know what else it would be.
An extra lock? I'd say it's a lock.
How you gonna lock it then? You got nothing right here to actually.
I don't know why you need that. You could use this to move it too.
Just grab it and move it.
You just push it along.
Time I've ever done this. I've been singing all my life. I've probably sung in front of 1 million people, but I've been scared to come out and do this. I've thought about it for 20 years. Yeah, I bought the battery amp and I bought everything, and I have been sitting at home for 10 years. This is the first time I made my fucking out. And there were 3 days that I just came out and walked around.
I would be nervous too to perform out here. Yeah, I walk around this whole thing. It's actually quite pretty. Alright, I smell the weed. I'd hate to catch you in the water with my kayak.